Are you looking for a very good brightening or lightening oil to brighten your skin, to lighten your skin, to glow your skin, and to also work on your dull skin? In this video, I'm going to share my honest review on one of the most talked about brightening serum in Africa, or brightening oil in Africa. This oil has been formulated to lighten the skin, to brighten the skin, to whiten the skin, and also to clear spots on the skin. Beautiful people, I'll be sharing my honest review on Carotone body oil. Carotone body oil, it's a very good oil that's brightening the skin. Okay, in this video I'm going to share with you guys the ingredients that are being used to formulate this Carotone oil. I'm going to share with you guys the type of skin types. Anytime I want to share review, I specifically states the type of skin types that are supposed to use the product. Just that I don't want you to use any product that will have side effect on the skin. Okay, it's not every oil that is good for all skin type. Okay, so I'll be sharing with you guys the type of skin types that are supposed to use this Carotone oil. I'll be sharing with you guys the roles it plays on the skin. I'll show you guys how you should use it very well to avoid skin problems or skin challenges. And I'll share with you guys the side effect of using this Carotone oil. Beautiful people, if this sounds like something you love to hear more, stick and stay. I will be back for more. This is how the oil looks like. Okay, it's a natural lightening oil. Carotone oil is formulated to clear dark spots on the skin, to reduce blemishes, to clear sunburn on the skin, to lighten the skin, to whiten the skin, to brighten the skin, and also to glow the skin as well. Now, the ingredient that I use to formulate this oil are a carrot extract, vitamin E, minerals oil, a petroleum gel, kojic acid, hydroquine, vitamin C, and fragrance. It's an oil that contains hydroquine. So when you are using it, you have to use it with caution. You have to use it very well. Okay, let's look at the roles that it plays on the skin. Carotone oil is formulated to clear dark spots on the skin. So if you have a severe dark spot on the skin, you can mix Carotone oil with your cream or your lotion and use on the skin to clear dark spots on the skin. It clears blemishes, or it fades blemishes on the skin. It's lightening the skin, it's brightening the skin, and it's whitening the skin when you use it consistently. I want us to open it and see how it is. This is how it is. It's in a yellow container, and a collagen formula is written on it. It's a brightening oil, and it is written on it that sun protection. Please, Carotone oil does not protect the skin from the sun. If you use Carotone oil and you expose the body under the sun, you are going to damage the skin drastically because it does not involve sunscreen. So avoid the sun protection that is being written on it. Do not try it to expose the body under the sun. You will end up having severe sunburn and dark knuckles on the skin. So let's open it. I want us to open it and see how it is in the bottle. It is world package, and I love how it's been sealed with a rubber. And this is how it is. It smells like collagen because it involves a bit of collagen. This is how it is. I want to feel it on my skin and see. So this is how it is. I can feel a bit of burns on my skin. Any oil that contains hydroquine or kojic acid, anytime you apply it on the skin, you feel some kind of burns on the skin. And this is what exactly I am feeling it on my skin. And it smells nice. It smells nice. Even though it contains hydroquine, the fragrance is very nice. It smells like carrots. And after applying it on my skin, I can feel that it has made my skin very smooth and soft. Yes, so please, when you are using Carotone oil, protect the skin from the sun and don't use it directly on the skin and work under the sun. I want to show you guys how you should use Carotone oil effectively to avoid skin problems like white dots, dark knuckles, and stretch marks. Because it's an oil that contains hydroquine, make sure that anytime you want to use Carotone oil, you get a baby oil or bio oil, mix it with it to reduce the hydroquine inside this oil before applying it on the skin. If you apply this oil direct on the skin, you will end up having white dots because of the hydroquine inside. It's a very strong lightening or whitening oil, so do not use it directly on the skin, and it's not recommended for all skin type. Okay, a sensitive skin person cannot use this oil. An oily skin person cannot use this oil. It's really formulated for normal skin people. And even if you are a normal skin person and you are using this oil, make sure you mix it with a very, very mild oil like baby oil, like bio oil, or an oil that does not contain hydroquine. And it's recommended for a combination skin people or a combination skin person. It's recommended for a dry skin person or a tough skin person. Yes, if you have a dry skin or your skin is very tough, make sure you exfoliate the skin first before using this oil on the skin. And do not apply it on the face. It is not a facial serum. If you use this serum on the face, you end up having dark under eye, you end up having severe sunburn. In fact, the stubborn one, of course, because of the hydroquine inside, and the face is very sensitive. Make sure you don't use Carotone oil on the face, even if you mix it with a mild oil, okay? And you are supposed to use it only at night. If you are using it alone, or you've mixed it with an oil like the bio oil or the baby oil, make sure you use it at night. But if you mix it with your cream, like maybe shea butter, cocoa butter, or a cream that does not contain hydroquine, you can use it morning and evening. But when you use it during the daytime, like in the morning or during the daytime, make sure you protect the skin from the sun. If you are using Carotone oil, especially if you want to lighten your skin, it's a very good lightening serum, but protect the skin from the sun when we are using it. And these are the side effects of using this Caro White oil. It gives stretch marks, especially if you use it alone consistently without mixing it with any oil or any mild oil. When you use it alone consistently, you end up having stretch marks on the skin. It also gives green veins on the skin. It gives white dots on the skin, and it irritates the skin because of some of the ingredients that I use to formulate this oil. It gives dark knuckles, it gives sunburn on the skin, and if you use it on the face, you end up damaging the face. Carotone oil lightens the skin, it brightens the skin, it clears dark spots on the skin, it clears blemishes on the skin, it makes the skin very smooth and very soft. So beautiful people, if you have ever used Carotone oil on your skin, you can share your review with me, or you can share your review under the video. And please, if you are new to this channel, I'll plead with you to kindly subscribe to this channel, turn on your notification so that anytime I share a video here, you would be able to receive a notification from me. Thank you for watching, and I really appreciate you a lot. Have a nice day.